Hello and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to use the any function in IBM SPSS Statistics. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So what is the any function? So when we use the any function, for example, if I use the statement any variable 1, 1, 3, 5, this will return a 1 if the value on that variable is 1, 3, or 5, or a 0 for the other values. Any can also be used to scan a list of variables or expressions for a value. So if I have the statement any 1, variable 2, variable 3, this will return a 1 if any of the three variables has a value of 1 and 0 if all three variables have values other than 1. Now, to demonstrate this, we're going to use the sample data file called cable_survey.sav. Now, this file is located in the installation directory for SPSS, and it's in a folder called samples. But you can also reach that file if you go on the file menu and you go to the welcome dialog. Now, we're going to use the any function in the select cases procedure, and we're going to create a new data set with categories of 1, 3, and 4 from the variable home type. And we're going to move these cases to another data file, so I will show you how to do that. Now to get started, I'll go to the data menu and I'm going to choose select cases. So you can see the select cases dialog box come up here. And I'm going to select the if condition button and then I'll click on this if button here. Now this will bring up select cases if. Now what I will need to do is go over to the function group box and I'll click on all. You see I've clicked on all and then I'll come down and I'll click on any. Now, I'll use this arrow button here to move the any function up into the central area. This will create my expression. And over here, you can see I have the expression, and then I will click continue. And then what I will do is take the option to move the cases to another data set. Now, once I have my data set, I can see the home type variable here. And again, I can check the results of my new data file. So I selected 1, 3, and 4. So let's see how this works in SPSS. So I'm in SPSS, and you can see I have the variable home type here. So I've clicked on home type, I've highlighted the column. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to run descriptive statistics. Now what I'd like to do is select out single family dwellings, condominium townhouse, and mobile homes. So you can see 1 is the code for single family, 3 is the code for condominium townhouse, and 4 is the code for mobile home. Now, what I'm going to do is go on the data menu and come down to select cases. And I'm going to click on the if button and click on the if button here. Now, I want to use the any function. So to get started, I'll come over to the function group and I'll click on all. And then I will click on any and I'll click on the arrow up. Now, I'm going to select from home type if it's code 1, 3, or 4. And these will pick up the categories that I want. I'm going to click continue. And I can copy these selected cases to a new data set. So I will just call this new data. Now, when I click OK, it will move those cases out to the new data set. But you can see I was able to do that by using the any function. So I'm going to click OK. And now you can see we have my new data set. If I look at home type here, you can see I have 1, 3, and 4. So I have single family, condominium townhouse, and mobile home. That's been selected out from the other data set. So that's everything we wanted to show you. For more tech tips, you can go to the tech tips section within the Learning Hub. You can contact us at spssadmin@version1.com. You can phone us, and you can check out our website at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.